Today's shout out goes to BendyBro11 for subscribing, so thank you, and let's go on with the video. Make sure you like and subscribe so that you have better luck and you're a good scratcher. What's up guys, we are back with another video. Today we are doing part 7 of Among Us on Scratch. And I really want to do this, so what am I even saying? I don't know. Okay, anyways, let's get on with it. So let's quickly just check what we have so far. Turn the volume up a bit. Okay, so we have the WASD keys. Can't enter as a crewmate, I don't think. Imposter, can event. Crewmate again. Okay, there's a problem with this stuff again. Vent. Okay, and we need to code the exit vent button as well, don't we? Maybe crewmate there. I don't know why I even started doing this, honestly. And we also have the emergency meeting. Yes, there's that. Sabotage. Oh, we can only sabotage as an imposter, can't we? Huh? Oh yeah, I don't think I coded that, but yeah, did I? Well, anyways, was this open? I'll leave it open anyways. Pin it so that it doesn't me. Okay, so let's see. Oh, I know. We need to do when I receive crewmate forever hide, I think. I don't know if I've tried that already, because this is part 7, and honestly, I am getting really tired of this. I just want to move on to the other maps. Okay, how about this? If I don't manage to fix this in the next 5 minutes, then we're moving on to the other rooms, and then we can do this bit later in the game. Why isn't it hiding now? I'm a crewmate, aren't I? Okay. Okay, I think it's time that we move on to the other rooms, and then we can come back to this bit later, I'd say. So what I'm going to do is we're going to look for the weapons room, I think it was. Yeah, weapons. Among Us transparent background. Here, weapons. Come on, it was easy to find the cafeteria. Why not this? Or do I need to load into a game of Among Us to find it or something? Because I'm not doing that. What's this? Oh. Weapons. Try and search that again. Scout. This one will work. I just want the weapons room. Is that too hard to, is that too much to ask or something? Weapons room, the weapons room. Okay, how about this? Let's try admin then. Admin corridor. Okay, honestly, let's try Medbay. Something good. Let's see if I can find anything better. That's a navigation hallway, isn't it? That's storage. Oh, now all of a sudden, now that comes better, doesn't it? Oh, let me just check this. Have we got the map? No. Okay, I think I should just like get the map button or something. I want this little button over here, that button. Okay, how about I just get any normal map button then. This one is practically the closest to, no, this is the closest to what I want, I'd say. Let's try this. No, that's not transparent background, is it? Just, I need anything like a transparent background at this rate. That's the best I want to get. No, I don't want to open it in a new tab. I want to save it. See, Scratch, YouTube, Among Us, map button. Okay, so now let's open that up. Okay, great. No, that's not what I wanted. Honestly. This one works? Well, I hope it does. Place. No, see, that one doesn't work. Let's just move that to the bin. Honestly. Okay, how about this? Let's create our own map button. Because obviously, no one can do it for us. So I think we're going to need like a circle. We're going to fill that in red. A perfect circle, so I'm going to hold down shift. I didn't really want an outline. So let's just get rid of that. And then we're going to paint as paint with a you have to be very precise about this stuff. Sadly. Wait, how does that one look like again? Okay, so I believe I did this wrong, but no matter. And just get rid of the fill here. Don't want to fill. Want an outline of red. I want here inside. I wanted a fill of red. Okay. How about we just move that? Can we move that, please? Thank you. Okay, let's try that again then, shall we? I want red, red. Now let's try this. circle. We don't want to fill. We want an outline of exactly red. Honestly, is it that hard to move things these days in Scratch? Great, I'm just going to use my keys. There, that looks good. Now, fill red. Oh, I know what I can do. I can like draw a circle with a fill of white inside it, can't I? And then here I can just like group, make it smaller. And then I'm just gonna like type the words map or something. And then we can like group that. And there we have a map icon. Just move that like up here or something. Yeah, I was using the map a lot when I first started playing Among Us. So yeah, I think this will be really helpful. See, so a map button, and just going to 3 T's is not in, is way too much. It's 2 T's. 2 T's. So we can get rid of this tab then. Okay, let's just do like one last bit. Okay, so let's just like code the Among Us map that we did. Oh yeah, I forgot to type transparent background, did I? Didn't I? And yes, this has what I wanted. Okay, so just upload this and then that'll be, this is exactly what I wanted. Please work. Yes, it worked. Okay, and that's it. I'll see you in the next video, and peace. Did you know that according to YouTube analytics, only 35.7% of you are subscribed? So please consider subscribing to the channel, and thank you.